Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping, and boy, do we have something exciting for you. Get ready to discover a platform that's been around for over 2 decades, helping entrepreneurs scale their businesses with ease. We're talking about DOBA, a powerhouse in the B2B dropshipping space. So sit tight as we unravel what makes DOBA a go-to platform for anyone looking to break into the e-commerce scene. Let's dive into details. First off, let's talk about what DOBA is. Founded in 2002, this American-based platform has been a game changer for retailers and dropshippers alike. DOBA offers a robust supplier directory that lets you find and list products without the usual hassle. Whether you're into home goods, electronics, or even niche markets like pet supplies, DOBA's got you covered with a massive catalog of over 1 million products. Look how many I found for a simple cat search, tons of pets products, and the best part, you can manage everything from a single dashboard, making your life a whole lot easier. Now, you might be wondering, how does this all work? Well, DOBA's got a pretty slick system. You start by connecting your online store, whether it's on Shopify, eBay, or Amazon, to the DOBA platform. With just a few clicks, you can import products directly into your store, pricing, product, descriptions, everything's automated. When a customer places an order, DOBA takes care of the rest. They notify the supplier, who then ships the product directly to your customer. No inventory worries, no delivery stress, just profit straight to you. Let me give you a real-life example. You all know how much I love cats, those furry little royalty. So imagine I open a Shopify store called Carmen's Luxury Boutique for Distinguished Cats. All I have to do is connect it to DOBA using their Shopify app. Then I list the products, and that's it, you know. When someone buys, DOBA handles the shipping. No inventory, no packing, no stress. That's the magic of dropshipping. Pure, hassle-free profit. All right, let's dive into some of DOBA's standout features. For one, there's no minimum order requirement, so you can order as you need without any pressure. Their inventory management system is a lifesaver, automatically updating product availability and pricing. This means you won't have to deal with the nightmare of overselling. Plus, DOBA's integration with top e-commerce platforms makes managing your dropshipping business a breeze. Now every rose has its thorns, right? So let's talk about some pros and cons. On the upside, DOBA's extensive product range and seamless integrations make it incredibly appealing. The automated processes save you tons of time, and their US-based suppliers offer faster shipping times, usually between 2 to 5 days. As for the downsides, DOBA primarily serves the US market, which means international shipping options are limited. But hey, if you're targeting the US audience, this is hardly a deal breaker. Another great feature is high profit section, where you can see products with the highest profit potential compared to their prices on Amazon. And then you have new AI features. It's DOBA's new cool AI platform to help you pick a niche, improve your dropshipping and listings all with AI. You have also top products from TikTok, where all the trendy viral products are listed and help you sell faster. So much good stuff here. All right, guys, before we wrap up, let's tackle some common questions. Is DOBA safe to buy from? Absolutely. They have an extensive screening process for suppliers and offer a 30-day refund policy if something goes wrong. And yes, DOBA is legit. With 20 years in the business and solid ratings on Trustpilot and SiteJabber, they're one of the original players in the dropshipping game. So there you have it, folks. DOBA is a fantastic platform for anyone looking to dive into dropshipping, with plenty of features that make it stand out in the crowded e-commerce landscape. And it's very easy to start. Just make your own Shopify store, connect DOBA app, list your products, and drive traffic via Facebook ads or TikTok ads. That's the magic of dropshipping, and it works. Don't believe when people say it's too late. Never too late. If you're ready to start your online business journey, definitely check them out. And hey, if you found this helpful or learned something new, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and we've got more AI and blockchain tools coming your way real soon. Catch you in the next one. Ciao.